Alright guys, so this is an unboxing video on the rugcel electric crane. We're going to open the box up, show you everything that's in it on this video. I'll be doing another video. I'll be installing it on my Mitsubishi Strata. I'll put this in the link below. So all you got to do is click on it in the description and it'll take you right to it. So first thing we're going to do is just cut the straps. And then this one obviously broke. They put a piece of wire on it. And I think that this whole top will just, lift right off. Look at that. It's got one nail on the back, but that'll come out easy enough. There it is. Oh, it's a small nail too. Alright, let's pull it all out. Let's show you what's in here first. Pretty simple setup going on in here. We're going to pull it all out and lay it in the truck. So far this is the base. It bolts down to your bed. You got the arm that the winch mounts on. So got the pulley on it. A spot for the winch. So alright, and then we'll open up these boxes. This box has the cables. It looks like the battery cables. They give you a nice length of battery cables to plug this thing in. It's got the remote and a hook in there. And then it's got the other box has got the winch. It mounts just the 2 bolts, I suppose it mounts to. It's got a big plate on there for some reason. It's just the 2 bolts and the winch that hook up on there. So basically, oh yeah, and you got the instructions. Got this handle, some bolts. These are mounting bolts for, I guess, for mounting it to the bed of the truck. These are mounting bolts. I'm figuring this is probably more for like a flatbed setup than the pickup setup. Just bolting it like that. I would have to go with much longer bolts, and I'm going to have to make a steel plate like that size for the bottom half of the bed so it sandwiches in before I mount this in. But that's all the stuff in there. Got an instruction booklet, tells you how to put it all together, and yeah, the winch, you know, all the paperwork that nobody ever reads until they get halfway done and figure out that they're doing it wrong. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We're going to put this the link for this product in the description below. We still got to figure out exactly how we're going to mount this in my truck. I may even put it in a trailer or mount it in my shop. I haven't figured it quite out yet. But when we know, you'll know. Just click the link below. It'll take you right to this. Hope it helped you out. Peace.